Top 3 video players for iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be discussing the top 3 best video players for iPhone. Now, let's begin. The first one is VLC. So VLC is a really popular app. So you can download it from App Store or Web Store. It's completely up to your device. And the reason why this is the best is that it supports multiple video audio formats, and it allows you to add subtitles, sync your audios options, and also enables you for Wi-Fi sharing for file transfers. So you can just check this app out. As you can see, sharing via Wi-Fi is available. You can turn this on. You can head over to the downloads of your device, or you can simply import your files in here. And yeah, this is the first one. Now the second app is Infuse. Now you must have heard about this app too if you're talking about your video players. Now Infuse is also a really stunning app. It has a really cool interface and it automatically organizes your library with beautiful metadata. And yeah, Infuse also handles streaming from cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and also supports AirPlay. Now you can check this app out too. As you can see right here, you have the option to sync your iCloud. You have the option to add things to your library and many other features right here, guys. So this is the second app, and the last one is our MX Player. Now MX Player is also a really popular app. You can open this up, you can download it from your app store. Now as you can see right here, it has a really nice interface too. Now there you will see the video player option. You will need to give it permission, of course. So yeah, this also supports your wide formats. There is a wide range of format that it supports. It's a really simple and fast interface too. And yeah, this is basically the third best one that we have on this list. And that is all for the video, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful and useful. If you did, leave a like down below, and if you have not subscribed yet, head down below and hit the subscribe button too. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.